Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 15 of the Cougar Connection. We had a great week of school before Thanksgiving break, as you can see from some of the pictures that are included in the connection. And we also want to take a moment and shout out to our SMS cheerleaders who won first place at the KHSAA regional competition for middle school cheerleading. Those girls are going to get a first place bid to state. And state is going to be on December the 17th at Frederick Douglass High School. So we hope to see some of our Cougar fans there. Upcoming for this week, we do have an admin team meeting on Monday at 8. SBDM will meet in the conference room at 4 o'clock. Also, starting this week and through Christmas, we will have dress-up days each day. So tomorrow is the first day, and it is wear green or red to show that you are not a Scrooge. Tuesday night, parents, we will be having data night. It is going to be from 5 to 6. It'll be really informal. We'll have some information about the amazing shake. We'll also have school-wide data information and just a brief update about the ICU system or process here at SMS. Midterm grades will also be given out at that time, and so will state testing reports from last year. JAG will have a guest speaker on Tuesday, Stacy Thrasher, and the dress up for Tuesday is a team dress up day, so join a team and come up with a theme. We've had a lot of fun with that theme in the past. Wednesday, as always, and for the rest of the Wednesdays until Christmas break, will be Ugly Christmas Sweater Wednesday. So if you've got those ugly sweaters, let's see them, Cougars. Thursday, we will have PLCs in the conference room. There is a TNI meeting after school at SMS in the library. And the theme for that day is Little St. Nick's. So it says break out your band shirts or your music t-shirts. And we hope to see who your favorite bands are, and we hope you can name some of those songs if you're wearing those t-shirts. So on Friday, we do have the reality store, and it is a tree topper dress up day, and bring it Friday. So wear your favorite holiday hat, headband, or your tree topper. And as always, make sure you wear that bring it shirt for some hopefully extra break time. We do want to take just a moment to shout out to this week's Student Spotlight, Miss Stacy Smoot. Stacy has been our Student Spotlight in the past, and it is because she has a very generous heart, and she is very driven by service to others. So if I had to give Stacy a strength, it would be her compassion for other people and taking care of others. She is a great kid. I've had a great 2 years learning about Stacy, and I'm very proud of her, and I know her teachers are as well. She always is very considerate of her classmates and of her teachers. And you can see from the spotlight, she worked with Walmart, and they donated several things for the JAG Community Service Project to the nursing home. So she and the JAG students will be delivering those things for the residents. So thank you, Stacy, for your generous heart. I cannot wait to see the amazing things that you do in your future. I know that it is bright. Thank you, girl, for always bringing it. So on to this week's Achieve 3000 leaderboard. Actually, this is going to be the week before we got out for Thanksgiving break. So congratulations to Gracie Bishop, Lisa Anderson, Asia Flinders, Paul Wells, and Kate Nickerson for being daily top scorers. Our weekly top scorer was Katie Hammond, and the students who had the most activities at 75% or above on the first try. For 7th grade, it was a three-way tie between Keegan McDaniel, Catherine Bunyan, Preston Ham with 3, and in the 8th grade, Elijah Riggs had 4 activities. As you can see from our Alex leaderboard, we've got some students who are getting incredibly close to meeting the threshold. Parents, if you don't know, we usually say that once a student reaches the 85% mark, they take a test to see if they're ready to move on to the next content area. So we've got some students who are getting very close to reaching that next level. So congratulations, students, on the Alex leaderboard. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.